Add a new substrate to the IPS or internal print server on the HP Latex R printer series. Load the substrate into the printer. From the IPS, touch Substrate Library. Search for an editable substrate that closely matches the properties of the substrate you loaded. If there is no editable substrate close enough to edit, customize and unlock substrate entry to create a new one. Touch the menu and then duplicate to clone an existing substrate. Enter a name for the new substrate and then touch Clone. Touch the new substrate card you created. Touch Add New Print Mode. Edit the properties to define your print mode and test it. Enter a name for the print mode. If loaded, heat-sensitive substrate is selected by default. From the list of available options, select the color mode. For white ink, select the amount of white ink to use and how to position the white layer with respect to the colored layer. Select the number of passes and then touch Print Test. Follow the instructions on the test page. Check the bleeding and the coalescence to identify the correct ink density. Use your fingernail to scratch the plot to test the overcoat level for the density you chose. Adjust the values at the second half of the screen based on testing, and then save the print mode to use for any future print jobs.